Complete set of CNC machines for tower is one of the three dominant produce of Finn CNC Machine Company Limited. Finn has complete set of CNC machines with advanced technique for steel tower. Several machines and technique can fill the domestic gaps. The national standard for CNC angle steel production line, which formulated by Finn, was released in 2009. Complete set of machines with high precision and efficiency is essential equipment for steel tower manufacturers. The CNC machines for angle steel include CNC punching, shearing and marking machine BL 2020C model, CNC punching, shearing and marking machine BL 1412C model, CNC punching, shearing and marking machine APM 2020 model, CNC punching, shearing and marking machine AMP 1412 model, CNC drilling and marking machine BL 2532 model, CNC high-speed drilling and marking machine ADM 2532 model, AP16A model, APL16A model. The CNC machines for connection plate include CNC hydraulic punching machine model PP103B, CNC hydraulic punching and drilling machine model PPD103B, CNC movable gantry type double work table drilling machine model PD16C. Finn also supply DZ series hydraulic marking machine, JYQ series hydraulic shearing machine, and corner cutting machine for angle steel, etc. APM 2020 is the latest model machine for the angle steel. This machine features high process efficiency and stability. Bigger size chain on transverse conveyor with block improve the tensile load capacity of transmission chain. The rotating loading system is driven stable by the motor through the reducer. Carriage is driven stable up and down by the motor through the ball screw, is guided by linear guideway. Enlarge the size of the clamp tube and change the structure of the clamp to increase the rigidity of the clamp. Enlarge the nominal punching and shearing force. Change the lathe structure to improve the equipment rigidity, so the machine is qualified for process on high-grade angle steel. APM 1412 model machine is the new type machine for angle steel. It has the feature of high efficiency, reliability, and material saving. Angle size 56 by 4 to 140 by 12. The workpiece is infeeded by the CNC carriage with high precision. The infeed carriage is driven by servo motor, gear wheel and gear rack, feedback by the encoder. Three groups punching die on each side of the punching unit can punch 3 holes in different diameters on each wing of the angle steel. Adopt single blade shearing, enhance the utilization of raw materials. CNC high-speed drilling and marking machine for angles model ADM 2532, mainly used for punching and marking process on the large size angle steel of transmission towers. Large-size angle steel requires high-quality punching effect. Present punching technology cannot meet the actual needs. All the punching holes can be completed on this machine in one time with high precision, productivity, and automation. This machine equipped with 9 CNC axes, X-axis with rack and pinion drive, rotary encoder feedback, high precision positioning, AB axis and 6 drilling axis driven by ball screw feed and guided by linear lead rail with a high carrying capacity to ensure high rigidity and high precision of the machine. There are 3 groups of drilling heads on each side of the drilling unit. Can make 3 holes with different diameters. Drilling spindle is imported high precision drilling spindle, intercooling, with disc springs automatic broach mechanism, hydraulic crimping cylinder, which is very convenient to replace the shank. With carbide drill bit, blades with 4 cutting edges. Each cutting edge can make about 900 holes, Q345 continuously. The average cost of the tool for processing one hole is about 0.05 RMB. Electronic control system with overload alarm function can effectively protect the drilling tool to ensure the life of the tool. High efficiency. The efficiency of this machine is 3 times of the machine which uses ordinary high-speed drill bits. PP Series CNC hydraulic punching and drilling machine, mainly used for automatic punching and marking process on the connection plate of transmission towers. Easy operation. The maximum process range of the plate is 1500 by 775. The maximum thickness is 25 millimeters. 3 die location. 2 die location for punching and 1 die location for marking. Two CNC axis, guided by linear guideway, driven by ball screw, with a high carrying capacity to ensure high precision and reliability of the machine. Work table with flexible embedded ball, which is covered by stainless steel plate in order to improve the life of the ball and the reliability of the equipment, also reduce the deformation of the plate generated in the process. The machine is equipped with a centralized lubrication system to reduce friction, wear and tear on the surface, also extend life of the tools. Hydraulic systems used for rule fitting connection in order to improve impact capacity and appearance of the hydraulic pipe. PPR 103 is a second generation produce of PP 103. The whole cylinder is outside hanging structure, so enhance the manufacturability of disassembly. Installation, maintenance, also solve the problem of leakage. The diameter of the cylinder increased from 220 millimeters to 240 millimeters. Enlarge the punching tonnage. The cooling method of the PPR 103A hydraulic system is air cooling type. PPR 103B is water cooling type. 1012 assembly and welding production line is a semi-automatic assembly and welding machine for steel pipe and flange connection. This production line includes 1 set of assembly machine PA1010, 2 sets of ring welding machine PW1012, and 1 complete set of conveyor system PF1012 with high degree of automation, weld quality and stability, which can reach top-level standard. The main characteristics as following. The workpiece can automatically loading and unloading reduce auxiliary time for hoisting, improve efficiency. Group chuck axis movement adopts hydraulic slide-driven high-repeat positioning accuracy. Welding gun is adjustable on horizontal and vertical direction and meet the welding process requirements. Used for plug and docking with detection function, Test the radial gap distance and end distance variation before the assembly of steel pipe and flange, tracking the steel pipe X-sign and the end of the flange during the welding. Welding gun can be adjusted to the deflection according to the gap between steel pipe and flange to realize better welding shape. For butt welding, can adjust the gap between steel pipe and flange. Inner welding gun is used for priming inside the pipe. External welding gun is used for outside filling. Equipped with the handy-type welding gun to meet the needs of multi-layer welding. Welding speed is driven by AC servo motor. Welding parameters can be manually adjusted in the course of processing. Space saving, smooth logistics to ensure temporary storage space of the welding parts and semi-finished products. CNC Pipe Profile Cutting Machine Model PB660. This machine has 6 CNC axes and is used for profile cutting on pipe by plasma cutting and gas cutting. Consists of machine bed, power chuck, cutting head, detection unit, roller, pneumatic system, and electrical system. This machine has the upper and lateral detecting function with detection components and pneumatic executive components to ensure the inspection accuracy, can detect the deflection, such as shape roundness, etc., at cutting position, and according to the measured values, automatically correct compensation for cutting torch to ensure cutting accuracy. On rotary axis of machine chuck, using electric power chuck clamping device to clamp workpiece automatically, reducing the labor strength of workers. Machine is equipped with a scale roller, can be adjusted up and down by screw very easily, quickly, and accurately. Machine torch adjustment axis, using servo motor directly connected with the ball screw and linear guide. With good dynamic response capability, can quickly respond to system requirements and adjust torch position in real time to ensure the relative position of cutting torch and workpiece to improve the cutting quality. Cutting unit with a car-type structure and guided by linear guide. The quality of moving part is small and suitable for high-speed precision cutting. Machine has memory function of a variety of cutting programs, can do continuously cutting process. For one groove, machine can finish cutting continuously with the cutting function of fixed and variable bevel angle cutting surface. By STCAD software, which combines the designing CAD and processing CAM of steel structures together, design drawing can be directly translated to processing diagram and processing data of cutting machine, greatly improving the efficiency of engineering process from design to processing. Provide customers with the best products and services to create substantial returns for investors. Thin CNC machines for tower.